What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing, or unpackaging rather, to do with you guys. I don't know for sure. I mean, the thumbnail will have said it, because after I open it I'll know, and then I'll be able to create the thumbnail that appropriately, corresponds with what this is. I think that this is a gift from a viewer. I think. I don't know 100%, but we're gonna find out. So here we go. As usual, if you'd like your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea, you can find my Amazon affiliate link in the description, and you can purchase one for yourself. And she does make quite the efficient unpackager if you are in need of said unpackaging apparatus. Let's carefully get in here. What do we have here? What do we have? Okay, we've got a Kershaw. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. I'm excited. A USA Kershaw. I'm definitely excited about that. What do we have? Oh. Oh, boy. No way. Wait a minute. Oh. No way. Hang on a sec. Is this what I think it is? Wait, hang on. I gotta make sure. So this, is this SJOERD from my Patreon? If this is what you sent me, I'm assuming that this is a gift because of what I explained my very first, like the knife that broke me. If it's from that video, that's amazing if that's what you did there, because I no longer have my original one. If that's where you got that, I'm gonna have to, obviously before this video goes up, I'm gonna have to contact him and see if that's actually what he did. But I had this video called The Knife That Broke Me, and I talked about a long time ago, like way before I was even aware of this higher end knife world, my very first knife that kind of like pushed me into the, expanding into the idea that, hey, some knives are actually made better than others. The very first one, a lot of people think it was the ZTO 562 or the Benchmade Barrage, but it was actually the Kershaw Blur assisted, and it was a Tanto with serrations. And you guys know my tastes have evolved beyond assisted knives, Tanto knives, and serrations, but this is a throwback to what originally got me into this. Like, originally threw back the curtains to my love of knives was the Tanto serrated assisted Blur. If this is what I think it is, and it came from the person I think it is, thank you so much for doing that. That is awesome. Oh my gosh, I am so pumped about that. Let me take a look and see if there's any other information in here that might indicate exactly where it came from. This came from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. It's becoming a retailer that I really enjoy. Let's take a look here. Is there any information that would explain? Yeah, I think this is from that gentleman. That is amazing. Whether you took a shot in the dark and just went with it because you heard me reference the Blur, or you're actually getting me this knife because you heard me talk about the exact variant of Blur that got me into this. Either way, big thank you. That gentleman, I believe it's SJOERD from Patreon. That gentleman definitely went above and beyond with this gift. Thank you so much. That's so nice. As usual, I never want anybody to feel obligated to get gifts. He had messaged me and said, "Hey, I got something coming your way," and I said, "Oh, you don't have to do that." And he's like, "Nah, And it's futile. Once somebody decides to get you a gift, there's just nothing you can do about it. But I always am infinitely appreciative, and I think it's so cool. People in the knife community want to do stuff like that. It's really cool. So thank you so much. I will love and cherish this forever, and I will not be giving this one up. That's just awesome. Thank you so much for doing that. Sorry if the video cut out there. Thank you so much for doing that. That's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Excuse me. That's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel by clicking on that Metal Complex logo right there, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.